Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine at your home. Today, the chapter or the lesson which I am going to deliver before you, it is being alert. So, what do you mean by that? Why we should be alert? It is a very important thing that we always have to alert. But from whom we have to alert? So, here we will study in this chapter. Before that, I would like to ask question. Do you tend to pick an object like a packet or a box in which is lying unattended? If your answer is yes, so tick here. If your answer is no, just cross it. And the second is, do you begin to trust a person at once if he or she does a favor? Okay, so you have to do that and just check yourself. So let's start the story. Ram was looking for the rose birds his mother asked, his mother had asked for. So in this story, there is a boy who was looking for the rosebuds because his mother had asked for that. The flower market was very crowded. It was difficult to look around as Ram was being pushed by the people behind him. So he used to go to the market. Market used to be full of people, or we can say it used to be crowd. Okay, so the market is like that, and it was very difficult to look around as Ram was being pushed by some people behind him. तो राम को किसी ने धक्का दे दिया and he was unable to uh, look or unable to track the person. तो इतनी ज्यादा भीड़ थी उस मार्केट. A man on his side held him by the shoulders and helped him climb a pavement to view the flower shop. So one of the person took his shoulder and helped him to climb up the pavement. एक ऊंचाई पर ले जाने में उसकी मदद की, राम की मदद की. And he helped him to locate the flower shops. उसको फ्लावर शॉप लोकेट करने में भी उसको मदद की. Ram was really touched by the kind man. And having observed the kindness of that unknown person, Ram was uh, Ram was really touched. Okay? The moment they climbed the pavement, the man helped him to see the variety of flowers kept at various shops and stalls. So as soon as they climbed up the pavement, the man helped him to see the variety of flowers kept at various shops and stalls. तो उसकी मदद की, उसको दिखाया कि कहाँ कहाँ पे अच्छे अच्छे फ्लावर्स हैं. Okay? Suddenly, the man asked him, can you see that rose shop at the far end? Ram tiptoed and shook his head in negation. So, when he told Ram, he shook his head in negation and told no, because it was unable to locate. Ram was unable to see. The man said, see that shop in the corner with a man in red shirt giving away the bouquet to another man. So again he was trying to explain. वो फिर से समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा था, यो दूर का शॉप देखो, that is the shop at in the corner with a man in red shirt giving away the bouquet to another man. Ram said, yes, it has such a huge variety of flowers. Do you know him? The man answered, yes, he sells the best flowers and at cheap rates. Go to him and he will give you the best bargain. So the man suggested him to go to that shop because the shop owner has variety of flowers and he sells the best flowers at cheap rates. तो बहुत कम पैसे में बहुत सस्ते में क्या करता है वो फूल जो है बेचता है एंड यू कैन गो फॉर द बेस्ट बार्गेन. ठीक है, तुम अच्छे से उससे मोल भाव करके बार्गेनिंग करके फ्लावर्स ले सकते हो. The man suggested him like that. Ram said, "What's your name? I will give your reference." So Ram told that he will give his reference. So Ram wanted to know his name. तो राम क्या था, राम चाहता था कि उसका नाम जाने ताकि वो उसका रेफरेंस दे सके. The man looked around as if in a hurry and said, "That is not required." So now the person began to ignore his words, or he was trying to hide himself, was trying to hide his name, and he told that is not required. इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Now that I have helped you, you will do me a favor. Please give this back to me. Now he told that that much is sufficient. Now I have helped you. मैंने तुम्हारी मदद की है. You will you do me a favor? वो बोलते हैं कि क्या तुम मेरा एक काम करोगे? Will you do me a favor? Please give this back to him. And he was trying to give a bag to Ram. Ram was about to take that bag, but his teacher's advice stopped him. Okay. What Ram was going to do? Ram was going to take the bag from that unknown person. But abruptly or suddenly, he recalled his teacher's advice. And what was the advice? He recalled what the teacher had said. Never take any box or packet from a stranger, no matter how nice or helpful she looks. So Ram's teacher's advice was that never take any box or packet from any strange person, no matter how nice the person is. चाहे इंसान कितना भी भला हो, कितना भी अच्छा हो, कितनी भी तुम्हारी मदद कर दे, you must not take any packet, any box from any stranger. And this is my advice to you also. Okay, it may just be your first acquaintance with a terrorist. So the person can be anyone. If the person is terrorist, then there may be RDX in the packet, there may be bomb in the packet. Okay. So now, immediately but smartly, Ram pulled his hand away and started moving away. While living, he waved at the man saying, "Uncle, please wait." I will come in a minute. So Ram was very smart. As soon as he recalled his teacher's advice, he pulled his hands away and started moving away. और वहां से फिर जाने लगा. While leaving, he waved his hands. तो जैसे जाने लगा, he waved his hand and told uncle, please wait. Will come in a minute. मैं थोड़ी देर में आऊंगा. Ram disappeared in crowd and and started heading towards a nearby police station. So Ram started heading towards a nearby police station because राम को यहाँ पता चल चुका था. राम began to know and Ram understood what is the reality of that person. उस person की reality क्या है? He understood. That's why he moved towards the police station. His heart was thumping as he waded through the crowds to inform the police. तो उसकी सांसें भरने लगी थी, उसकी धड़कनें तेज होने लगी थी. When he waded through the crowd to inform the police, he rushed to the police station and blurted the information about the man with the bag. And he gave all the information to the police. The police officer, the police officer called up his men and gave them instructions as per Ram's description. Ram could make out that a lot of police force was already there in the market because of an intelligence report about a possible terrorist attack. So here the police officer called up his men. उन्होंने अपने लोगों को बुलाया and gave them instructions as per Ram's description. As per the Ram's description, the police officer informed to others. Ram could make out that a lot of police force was already in the market. Okay. Ram began to know, or Ram knew that all or most of the police force or a lot of the police force was already there in the market. And what was the reason? Because of an intelligence report. एक इंटेलिजेंस रिपोर्ट में पता चला था about a possible terrorist attack. Ram was asked to stay in the police station for safety. Okay, so Ram was not called again to the market. Ram was asked to sit in the police station for his safety. After some time, a constable reported his officer that a terrorist had been nabbed when he was trying to give another child a bag with the same instructions. The flower market was vacated with great difficulty as the bomb squad scanned the place. At last, it was announced that a bomb blast had been averted because of a young and smart boy named Ram. So, after some time, the police located the bomb and it has been taken out. And it was announced after some time that a bomb blast had been averted because of a young and smart boy named Ram. Ram was praised and applauded for his bravery by one and all. Later, he was gave a bravery award. So this was the story of being alert, and we all must be alert from such kinds of bad practices. Okay? We should always alert from such activities. हमें हमेशा इन सब activities से alert रहना है. Whatever advice was given here, we must follow it. Even we should not talk to any stranger, no matter how kind the person is to us. Okay? So this or that much, this chapter. Okay? Do the exercises and all other things. Goodbye, everyone.